Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this video lesson, I am going to explain about important lesson P block elements, the one of the most oxygen family, mainly manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. In fact, this is very important method of obtaining sulfuric acid in contact process. This is the commercial method to obtain sulfuric acid, and now we are understanding about the manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. Let us look at Le Chatelier principle. Le Chatelier is a scientist. He got, if a constraint is added to a system at the equilibrium shifts in such a way as to nullify effect of the constraint. This was a certain set of conditions that we follow so that we get good quantity and good quality yield of sulfuric acid. Now what are those conditions? How they are applied here? Let's look at. In this sulfuric acid is prepared by contact process. 3 steps are important. These 3 steps making very important role to prepare sulfuric acid. The chemical formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. This is the H2SO4 structure like this. H2SO4 is a king of chemicals. It is a dehydrating agent and stable diprotic acid. And sulfuric acid is also called as oil of vitriol. This sulfuric acid in sulfur is the central atom. It undergoes sp3 hybridization and tetrahedral shape. This is a dehydrating agent. That means the removal of water molecule is called as dehydrating agent. Any compound is reacts with H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, to remove water molecule from the compound, and it is a stable diprotic acid. Sulfuric acid is a very stable oxoacid of sulfur. It is often called king of chemicals since it is one of the most useful chemical in industry. Manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. In the contact process, the principles are in 3 steps. These 3 steps are very important role to prepare sulfuric acid. In the contact process, SO2 is obtained by, that means sulfur dioxide is obtained by, the sulfur is treated with oxygen in presence of air to get sulfur dioxide, and also prepared iron pyrites is burning with oxygen to give a sulfur dioxide. 8 moles of sulfur dioxide will be formed. In the second step, SO3 is obtained, sulfur trioxide is obtained. This is the very important step. It is using catalyst V2O5 and platinized asbestos. The sulfur dioxide is treated with oxygen and presence of catalyst vanadium oxide, pentoxide, to give a sulfur trioxide. This is catalytically oxidized in this step. V2O5 is however preferred since it is much cheaper than platinum, and it is also not poisoned by arsenic impurities. In this sulfur trioxide is prepared by some favorable conditions are obtained for maximum yield of sulfur trioxide or is following the like this. The favorable conditions for maximum yield of H2SO4, that is SO3, maximum yield of sulfur trioxide is obtained by these are conditions to obtain good quantity and good quality yield of sulfuric acid, like this is a reversible reaction. That means 2SO2 reacts with oxygen to give a 2SO3, and this is also 2SO3, 2 moles of sulfur trioxide is again it gives a sulfur dioxide and oxygen. In this reaction is a reversible reaction, that means products to reactants and reactants to products are formed by the reaction. In this sulfur trioxide is formed by high concentrations of by taking sulfur dioxide and oxygen. In this reaction, low temperatures are favorable for the formation of sulfur trioxide, that is 673 to 723 kelvins, and high pressures are required, that is 2 atmospheric pressures are required, and it is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reactions means low temperatures are formed. This reaction is exothermic reaction. In this sulfur trioxide is again reacts with concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid is give a volume. The volume formula is H2S2O7. In this volume reacts with water to give a 98% sulfuric acid is obtained. What happened to this? In sulfur reacts with oxygen to give a sulfur dioxide. In this sulfur dioxide is again reacts with water in presence of catalyst to form a 2SO3 molecules are obtained. This is the sulfur trioxide. In sulfur trioxide is reacting with concentrated H2SO4 to give a oleum. Oleum formula is H2S2O7. In this oleum reacts with water to give a 98% sulfuric acid is obtained. Manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process is done by these chambers. Contact process is done by these chambers. In how many chambers are containing in contact process? Or 9 chambers are containing. What they are? Sulfur burner or pyrite burner, and second one is the dust chamber, and third one is the washing tower, and fourth one is the fourth box is the drying tower, and fifth one is the purifier tower, and then testing chamber, contact chamber, and absorption tower. In this contact process, that means manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process, containing in the first chamber containing sulfur burner. This is the sulfur pyrite burner. In this sulfur ore is treated with oxygen. That means the oxygens are present in air, so the air is passing through the sulfur burner. It get a sulfur ore. That means the sulfur ore treated with air to give a sulfur dioxide. And some impurities are present. In the first chamber, what happened? The preparation of sulfur dioxide is done by sulfur treated with air to give a impure form of sulfur dioxide is obtained. In this impure sulfur dioxide is passed through the dust chamber to remove impurities from the sulfur dioxide, and then passing through the water chamber, that means washing tower or cooling tower. In this sulfur dioxide and impurities are washed with water and then cooling, Some impurities are coming through this inlet, and then sulfur dioxide is passing through the drying tower. In the drying tower are removed some waste gases or waste sulfuric acid can be removed by this inlet, and then sulfur dioxide is passing through the arsenic chamber, that is purifier chamber. It containing arsenic. This can be treated with a sulfur dioxide to give a pure form of sulfur dioxide is obtained. The removal of impurities are passing through like this. The impurities are removed from this sulfur dioxide and pure sulfur dioxide is formed. It then passing through the testing chamber. In the testing chamber, the test with the sulfur dioxide, there is no impurities are present, it will get a positive results. So sulfur dioxide is passing through the contact chamber in presence of a catalyst. In presence of a catalyst, and sulfur dioxide can be treated with oxygen, it will get a contact. SO2 and oxygens are contact with each other to give a sulfur trioxide is obtained in the contact chamber. This sulfur trioxide can passing through the absorption tower. This absorption tower containing concentrated H2SO4, it get a volume is formed. The volume formula is H2S2O7. What happened? This is the simple method. In the first chamber, sulfur burner, sulfur is treated with oxygen to give a sulfur dioxide. In the second chamber is a dusting chamber, and the third one is a washing and cooling tower. Washing and cooling tower contains water to remove impurities from the SO2 molecule. And then passing through the drying tower, it contains a concentrated H2SO4. Some impurities are removed from this, and then passing through the arsenic purifier. Sulfur dioxide is passing through the dusting chamber, and then passing through the washing tower, and then passing through the drying tower, and then passing through the arsenic purifier. In this arsenic purifier, get a pure form of SO2 is obtained. The pure form of SO2 is obtained. So SO2 can treated with passing through the testing box, and then passing through the preheater, and then passing through the contact tower. In the contact tower, sulfur dioxide is treated with oxygen in presence of catalyst, and higher pressures are required. So in this higher pressures are required, SO2 and O2 molecules are coming contact with each other to give a sulfur trioxide. And then passing through this sulfur trioxide can be passed through the absorption tower containing H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. It will get a volume is formed. Volume formula is H2S2O7. In this volume is hydrolysis to give a 98% sulfuric acid is formed. This is the contact process. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, give a great support to me for making more videos.